Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost completed a lot of things in this particular tutorial. That's your office interior over here. So we have few things left out. So let's continue with that. So very first of all, so let's create this chair, executive chair over here. So let's take a line tool over here and slightly shuffle this in this way. Let's go into rendering, enabling viewport and make it rectangular. After that, let's make it more thicker. Convert to editable poly, select the edge and let's put one loop over here. Let's select this, press R and slightly we can just scale that. After that, I'll go again over here and I'll put some loop over here. I'll put one loop over here. I'll put some loops over here. I'll put some loops over here. So select this over here. Let's add some loops over here. Select this edge and let's slightly give a bit of chamfer and let's click OK. After that, let's add some swift loops over here. Select the edges and slightly give a bit of chamfer to it and click OK. So once you're done with this, now after that I can just go into this and give a bit of turbo smooth if required. So before we give turbo smooth over here, I can just go into the vertices and I can slightly scale it if required and activate the turbo smooth stuff. So convert to editable poly. So select the vertices and let's put one loop over here also. So slightly select this vertices select the vertices and slightly if you want to shuffle it inside, we can shuffle that a bit inside over here. After that, I'll again go to the side view over here. I'll again take a line tool. So I'll just off this. Again I'll take a line tool like this. I'll close this. So select the vertices and I'll slightly use a bit of fillet over here and again I'll give extrude modifier. So we can slightly shuffle it in this way. Convert to editable poly. So let's go to the top view, select the edges, and slightly will give a bit of chamfer, and let's click OK. So shuffle this in this way, and after that we do have this section which we have already made it. So let's just duplicate that over here. I'll slightly scale that, and I'll select this whole thing. I'll just give a color to it, and I'll slightly shuffle this a bit down in this way. So slightly, okay. So just subtract the elements, slightly just rotate that, and keep it in this way. That's it. Looks good now. After that, just save the file again. So we have a few things left out. So let's just again duplicate that, and let's set this to 90 degree. Just save your file once, keep it over here. We'll copy this books again over here onto the top. Slightly rotate it. Alright. So slightly duplicate this. We can create over here few things which we can see over here, a few of the details. So let's put some loops, select the edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer. Alright. So same, we are going to again duplicate that. So let's go over here. Let's again create a box over here. So convert to editable poly vertices, just keep it in this way. I think looks much better. So one thing over here, this stuff, then you can just create a pencil box. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, slightly give a bit of inset, extrude it down, click OK. So let's go to the top view, take a cylinder, slightly, so reduce its height segments, convert to editable poly, and let's give a bit of bevel over here. Again, extrude it and slightly scale that. Okay. So select these edges again and let's give a bit of chamfer. Let's click OK. That's it. So you can just multiply that. So just select this, slightly push this up. So just mirror it. So put it just randomly, not the perfect way. You can just put this all very randomly. So you can just multiply it the way you want. So we'll be creating some knobs over here. So just take a small sphere over here. So and slightly I'll scale this. So although it is from a very far end, so we don't need to create much details over here. Just select this. Shift and drag it. So just duplicate it over here. So delete this. So save your file again. Again take a box over here. Let's create this. Convert to editable poly. Select the edges. And let's give a bit of chamfer, click OK, select the polygons, insert it, and slightly extrude it a bit inside and click OK. Alright. So if you want to create the flowers, you can model that also. So I'll just go into this line and I'll just create some kind of branches. So just select this, enabling viewport. Same way. So just select this and slightly we'll just push it in this way randomly. Alright. Okay. So just save your file. And we'll create one glass section over here. Let's go to the top view over here. So convert to editable poly. So use a swift loop, select the polygons and slightly you can extrude that. So select the polygons again. I'll just add a glass material over here. Alright, looks much better now. Okay. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see, we have completed this modeling tutorial over here for this particular office interior over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So thanks for watching this tutorial.